If you're thinking about starting an online business, or perhaps you've started one, but you're not sure how to build it out and how to learn to do proper marketing, what if I told you there was a way that you could do it for free? You know, a lot of these courses can cost $1,000, $2,000, and they only cover one topic. I found a university online that has great training for free, and that's what I'm going to tell you about today. Hi, my name is William Beam. I'm with Suburbia Press, and my goal really is to help online marketers and online entrepreneurs build a platform that powers their business. And one of the things you need is education. And I found a place, it's called BADA Online Marketing University. It's filled and packed with courses, and they're all for free. So how do I know about this? Well, it's because before they were free, there was one course on email messaging. I paid for it. I thought it was an outstanding course. But the founder of this little organization, Bobby Klink, he's an attorney. He's been working with online marketing for quite a while now, and he decided that he likes this idea of radical giving. He still has things that he sells, but the BADA Online Marketing University is his gift to online entrepreneurs. And I want to tell you about it, and I want to show you a little bit of it today. Okay, so we're inside the front page, and you can see it is 100% free to learn the skills you need to build your online business. I think that's a wonderful idea. And take a look here. This lets you know you can view this on a number of devices. You can even get it down on your iPhone if you want to listen to it. So we're going to give you links so you can get to all this stuff. There's a little testimony here, but what I really like is getting past some of these things that tells you what it does and what kind of problems you face. But as we scroll further down, I want to show you the courses that he has and what's still to come. So currently, online marketing foundations, online legal foundations. He's a Harvard-educated lawyer. This is kind of where he got his start, is selling legal templates. But also the finances, badass messaging, and this is the course that I paid for and took and highly recommend, is badass email marketing. You're told always, build your list, and that's how you communicate with people. But once you have your list, what do you say to your audience? And more importantly, how do you say it? Bobby has a very interesting approach. It's very engaging. I actually get compliments on my emails. People subscribe to me and they stay subscribed because they like the way that I talk to them. They like the way I communicate with them. And although that's my voice, the structure of how I put it out there came from this course. There's more to come. You can see that he has grand plans for what he's calling BOMU, BADA Online Marketing University. So list building, content marketing, social media, product creation, sales pages, beta launching, how to build a website, inbound marketing, copywriting, branding, and storytelling. This is something that's going to grow. It's free. It's going to remain free. And this is Bobby's basically gift to online marketers who have honestly given him quite a lot. So he believes in what he calls radical giving, and this is how he gives back. So why don't we take a look inside? Okay, so once you log inside of your portal for the university, you're going to find that these are the courses that he has available now. I'm going to take you into Badass Email Marketing. You can go ahead and click here to view the course. And what you find is essentially a course. And you come down here and you've got different videos. You can see the course transcript. You can listen to the whole thing on mobile. So a lot of this stuff is something you can see the slides and follow along, but you can also take it with you if you're commuting and just listen and still get the same concepts. Or it's a good way to reinforce maybe what you've already seen. And then you can ask questions if you need to. This is a university, which means that he is going to give you a quiz. So you can see there's a final exam down here. And you can see there's bonus lessons and tutorials. There's also some resources and tools. So there's other videos. This is based on another tool, one that I use. It's called Searchy, which means that you can search for something inside of the video. Let's go ahead and start this. So you can come over here to where it says Search Course Videos, and you can search for an item or phrase. So basically what happens is you type in the search phrase in the course video, and you can type for something that Bobby mentioned. If you want to test it out, you can just type in Bobby, and you'll see all the number of places if he referred to himself, or you can talk about email marketing, for example, in this course. So we click over here. And there you can see that it comes up with email and marketing and the phrases back and forth, and you can get little timestamps. But more than that, if you click on one of these, it'll take you to the moment inside the video where it was talking about what you were searching for.
You'll learn that email marketing.
And that's based off of a tool called Searchy. And I'll have another video on that showing how this works. As a matter of fact, I use it in my own courses on other sites, and I'll probably be using it on Suburbia Press as well. It is a wonderful tool. Not only does Searchy allow you to search for things, like you want to remember something. Let's say, didn't he say something about a catch email? And you can see over here, what is a catch email? Well, you can do a search over here and you can find the different places that he talked about it and see the demonstration of how he constructed one. So it gives you that capability. If you go over here and click on your settings, you can change if you want the quality. Typically, I just have it as high as possible. And you can detect the language, and you can turn captions on or off. I know you can also change the speed. If you're just having a little bit slower time or faster time, you can go ahead and modify that. And you can go ahead and enter a full screen mode. So the player itself is pretty nice. And again, you can view this anywhere you've got an internet connection. And he's got an option here for you to listen on mobile as well. So he's got a system here that will allow you to download on mobile devices. So you can just use your QR code on your phone and download it. So let's go back up to our portal. Now, I wanted to point out something to you. As you do these courses, you can earn points. When you earn points, then you unlock other courses. So, for example, I have not earned enough points yet for Badass Messaging. Badass Email Marketing, this is one of the things where I probably have to go through and just take the final exam. I already took this course and completed it before it was moved over to Badass Online Marketing University. So this system doesn't recognize that I completed it. I have to go back in and take the final exam and complete it, get my points, and then hopefully I can unlock this. And I don't know how many points are needed here. I may have to go and take some other ones of these courses and complete those. But this is what people are looking for when they're starting their business or learning how to grow their business. And it's all free. So I've got a link below. You can just go to suburbiapress.com/BOMU, BOMU, and that will take you right to the portal. You can sign up. There is no cost. It's not going to ask you for a credit card. And you can get some outstanding marketing training for free. And I kind of want to take you back to show you one other thing. I wanted to bring you back here and show you a testimonial. And this is from Alicia Mathis. She's someone that I know inside of the group, and we've kind of chatted online before, but this really tells the whole story here. It's better than a lot of paid courses. I've paid $1,000. I've paid $2,000 for courses to get information on one thing. And sometimes there was a lot of fluff around that, a lot of things that you didn't really need to know. And I agree with her. When you go into one of Bobby's courses and you take it, he is teaching you from start to finish. Every course is about what you need to do, why you need to do it, and he shows you how to do it. And you get results. I've seen the results from my own email marketing efforts, and I got to say, as a customer, it works. And for you, you don't have to be a customer. You can do this for free. It works. So I hope that's helpful to you. Again, my name is William Bean. If you found value from this, please go ahead, click the like button. And if you want to see more things about help for online entrepreneurs, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I will be sharing more and more things. And I'd love to have your feedback. What was the most important thing you got out of this? Are you looking for the email marketing? Are you looking for help with your financial systems or understanding how that works? Let me know in the comments below, and that'll help me understand what kind of information you need coming forward. Thanks so much. We'll see you again in the next video.